All right, y'all, here we go with a Let's Go TV production. This is the final edition episode right here. We already did the how-tos to assemble this thing. This is like actually building the actual house. We have to do each and every single panel and then put them on here and then build it as you go with the top and all the screws, and very time consuming. But it does come together. It's solid, just like a house. This is real wood and all that. So just in case if you bought one, you got the how-tos, or you can go ahead and have us assemble it at any time. Y'all give us a call. We got it all. 682-239-1470. Remember, I am the plug. You are the demand with Let's Go TV. Don't forget we got cable on deck as well. Plus we sell all of our merchandise and all of our social media platforms at LEXGO TV. Suffer pain now, enjoy relaxation later with Let's Go TV. We can come to your house too. Business, commercial, residential. Let's get it. Let's go. For those who are wondering, how in the world did you get that mattress and that mattress topper or platform right through the roof? That's how you do that. If this roof wasn't there, I don't know how in the world I would have got that in there. I would have had to take everything, disassemble the whole thing. But that's how you do it. Let's go.